It's a new 2020 Toyota Corolla. Get an all-access pass to life in a car that doesn't just get you there, it gets you. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. Smart device navigation, power heated mirrors, manual tilting steering column, configurable instrument gauges, Wi-Fi hotspot, manual telescoping steering column, inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, and continuously variable automatic transmission. The Car Connection writes, Toyota Corolla continues to offer reliable, inexpensive transportation with a bit of flair and new, easy-to-use infotainment systems. Comfortable, convenient, quality. Toyota. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Visit our website at youngercars.com. We're conveniently located at 1945 Dual Highway in Hagerstown, Maryland.